Hands help when I bake a cake. When I ride a bike and pull the brake. When I pump a flat tire and bend a strong wire. When I ring a small bell and pick up a shell. I can make a fist and a lid I can twist. I can cut a big log and bat the dog. I can brush and dust and put jam on a crust. I can clap and put on the tap. I can rub the cat and hit a ball with a bat. I can lock a shed and put a quilt on a bed. I can scratch a back and lift up a big sack. I can cut the long grass and rake it up. I can pat and stroke a small pup. I can hang a vest on a line and cut a long thin twine. I can stitch on a patch and wave a flag at a match. Put all the bricks in a box and sketch a fox. I can catch a ball, drill a hole in a wall, and hang a clock in the hall. Take care of a pet, wipe a bench when it is wet, put a plate in the sink. Hands help a lot, I think.